Oh my god, I look a whole mess. Hey y'all.
I got a juice, bitch. I got a motherfucking juice.
Let me just start off by saying I look ridiculous. I look like the quality on this camera and the lighting of this snap a mess. But I'm back. That's a good thing, right? I don't even know how to start this video. I am so sorry about this quality and this whatever this is. After 3 whole months, maybe even 4, I finally have the motivation and the courage to do another tutorial. I'm finally gonna give you guys what you subscribed for.
These bitches race, but don't place. You too slow, pick up the pace. Ass so fat. JK, I'm built like a mad lemonade. Crunchy ice, take your.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm on KineMaster right now. And yeah, I already showed you guys how to make a picture on the last tutorial, so I'm not gonna do it on this one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to layer, and then you're gonna press media, and then go to capture, and then choose the picture that you already made. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna zoom in so you can like do the transitions and stuff. I've been seeing under my comments that they don't see the key, but either you don't have the updated version or you're just confused. So what you got to do is click the photo, and then there's a key on the side where you press it, and it lets you animate what you want. The next thing you are going to do is you're going to slide it up a little bit. You know, this is just a tutorial. That's why I'm doing that. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to trim it a little bit so it wouldn't be, you know, like long. Some of the stuff I don't know how to explain, like, for real. So the next thing you're going to do is add another picture, and then do what you just did to the first picture, which is zoom it in, so you can do the transitions and stuff and like that. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the end of the photo and, you know, trim it or whatever, so it can be like, you know, like the first one. And you're going to turn it around, and then yeah, this part is gonna be like real quiet because I don't really know how to, you know, explain this part. So, you know, just copy me and do what I do. And yeah. Okay, now we're gonna see the final touch. Let's see. Oh wow, that's good, but we're gonna have to speed that up. So to speed this up, what you're gonna do is trim it a little bit. Your animation thing is gonna still be there, but it's gonna be, you know, speed it up a little bit. And the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna fill in the blank, and then yeah. That's what you're gonna do to speed it up. So let's play it now. It looks great. That looks perfect. That looks beautiful. That looks amazing. So now you guys should have this. And if you want more tutorials, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I got a new Instagram. And you know, yeah. So bye guys, I will see you in the next video or tutorial or whatever.
Ass so fat, yeah, it's bigger than the